Paragraph formatting. Paragraph formatting is used to change the appearance of paragraphs. In paragraph formatting, you can make changes such as lines and paragraph spacing, alignment, etc. Line spacing. Line spacing means the amount of vertical space between the lines of text. You can have single, double, 1.5, multiple, line spacing, etc. To change line spacing for a single paragraph, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text and place the cursor. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click on Line and Paragraph Spacing tool in Paragraph group. Step 4. Hover your mouse pointer on the various line spacing options. The paragraph will show the preview of the line spacing. Choose the line spacing you want. Paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing means the amount of vertical space between paragraphs. The spacing between paragraphs is measured in points. To change paragraph spacing, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the cursor in the paragraph. If you want to change the spacing in several paragraphs, select them. Step 2. Click on Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the before and after spin boxes under spacing in paragraph group. Step 4. Click on the arrows in the spin boxes below spacing to choose the required spacing.